Hello, Southwest 1384 is 1400, climb 4000.
Southwest 1384, no departure radar contact, climb maintain 15,000, turn right heading 320. Southwest 1384, no departure radar contact, turn right heading 320, climb and maintain 15,000.
Sir, for 1384, we got a weird odor. I'd like to level off if we could.
Southwest 1384, roger. You want 3,000 or 4?
4000 fine, Southwest 1384.
Southwest 1384, roger. Maintain 4,000, fly heading 280.
Heading 280, 4000, Southwest 1384.
Southwest 1384, turn right heading 360.
Dan, Southwest 1384.
360 for Southwest 1384.
360 on the heading, Southwest 1384.
Southwest 1384, say intention.
Still working the problem, Southwest 1384.
Roger. Southwest 1384, turn right heading 090.
And center or approach for Southwest 1384. We're just going to need a quick vector. We're going to end up coming back around for 11. It's got a little bit of odor in the back. The flight attendants are uncomfortable with, so we're going to go ahead and put it back on the ground.
Southwest 1384, roger. Fly heading keep 090 for about 10 miles, and I'll turn you back towards the airport. Southwest 1384, just verify your negative emergency.
Negative emergency this time, Southwest 1384.
Roger. Southwest 1384, you're cleared to New Orleans International via radar vectors, maintain 4,000, fly heading 200.
Heading 200, 4000, clear to New Orleans, Southwest 1384.
Southwest 1384, information golf is current.
Golf, Southwest 1384, thank you.
Southwest 1384, you want the visual first or the ILS? Southwest 1384, fly heading 210, vector for the ILS, runway 11.
Heading 210, vector to ILS, runway 11, Southwest 1384. And we're going to go ahead and declare emergency this time because we do have a smoke smell in the cabin and 114 souls on board.
14 souls, and just when you get a chance, tell us the few remaining in minutes.
About 4.5 hours of fuel, so I don't know what that is. It's off the top of my head, 1384.
Roger that, sir. And we do have one on final. Do you want us to break him out and try to get you in for the visual, or can we put you on about a 10-mile base final and bring you in behind the Spirit?
Yeah, we don't have any smoke in the cockpit, so we'll be fine behind Spirit, Southwest 1384.
All right, copy that.
Southwest 1384, just going to maintain 2,000.
So maintain 2000, Southwest 1384.
Southwest 1384, flighting 260, speed your discretion.
260, speed our discretion, Southwest 1384.
Southwest 1384, turn left heading 200.
Left 200, Southwest 1384.
Southwest 1384, 4 miles from Mudbug, turn left heading 140, maintain 2000, still south on the localizer, cleared ILS, runway 11 approach.
0 to established, clear for the ILS, runway 11 approach, Southwest 1384.
Southwest 1384, contact tower, 119.5.
119.5, Southwest 1384, thanks. Tower, Southwest 1384 is ILS, runway 11.
Southwest 1384, North Tower, runway 11, clear to land.
Clear to land, Southwest 1384. We plan on taxiing off the runway. We do have a burning smell. If we could just have somebody check us. We don't see or any indications of smoke, we should say.
Southwest 1384, understood. The trucks are rolling now, wind 0607.
Thanks.
Southwest 1384, where would you like to go?
We can go right if you need us to.
Southwest 1384, yeah, you want to check something out, or do you have a gate to go to? It's your choice, left or right. If you want to check things out, yeah, right turn.
Let's go right just to get out of people's way, and you can check us out over here if that's okay.
Yeah, that'll be fine. You could do whatever you need on the south side, even if you want to 180 face north or whatever you want to do just off the runway. And while you're saying you want the vehicles to come out and look at you.
Yeah, if you don't mind. We still got the smoky smell, but we're not sure where it's coming from.
Southwest 1384, right. We have the ground control. We're talking to the vehicles about you now. Southwest 1384. The trucks are on ground frequency 121.9. Make the switch over and you can chat with them if you need.
121.9. Thank you, Southwest 1384.